There's a live chat to the right. I welcome everyone today to the broadcast Millionaires Club. Um, my name is Dr. Michelle Morrison. You can actually just put notes. Um, it's telling me here that my connection is unstable. Please wait while I reconnect. Good afternoon, Kimberly Glade. Welcome. Oh, great. Thank you, Kimberly. So, again, everyone, my name is Dr. Michelle Morrison, and I am in this live chat from New York City during the coronavirus. And thank goodness the virus has gone down tremendously in New York. And we pray for the other states that are being negatively impacted by the virus. And um, and there, we know this is a time of great crisis where uh, we have forest fires in California, we have police brutality, we have just the riots that have erupted, and we are in a time that's unprecedented. But I wanted to make this live broadcast today, and I welcome everyone. Again, my name is Dr. Michelle Morrison. I'm an attorney and real estate broker here in New York City. And I wanted to start this Millionaires Club. And folks, I'm not a millionaire, but I wanted to start this Millionaires Club to pretty much empower the communities, white, black, but I'm especially targeting minority communities, low income communities, people who've lost their jobs during the crisis. And, I'll tell you, um, I'm a Christian, but this video is for everyone. This is not a Christian video, it's a video for everyone. So I just want to welcome you, and we will be rebroadcasting, and this video will be available live on YouTube for folks to watch. But we're doing live because I want people to be able to ask questions while I'm streaming, and I know more people will be coming on board today. So I just wanted to welcome everyone. And again, I'm asking people to like this video, subscribe, share it. And as you subscribe, you're automatically a member of the Millionaires Club. I'm believing, folks, by the end of this year, we're going to be millionaires. And my goal is to raise up and empower people in the community to become millionaires, multimillionaires. And the market's already rallying in our favor, folks. So I'm going to talk to you today about stocks. I'm going to talk to you today about cryptocurrency. And for those who are low income, cryptocurrency is going to be the avenue for you to become a multimillionaire. And I just want to say before we start that I'm not a stockbroker or stock advisor. I have to say that by law, and just instruct people that you have to do your own research. The market can be volatile. In March of this year, the market crashed, and stocks went down so low. They went so low, and it offered a great opportunity to purchase, for them to now purchase cryptos. I'm going to talk about that. Some of them are really high. There are some that are extremely low, below pennies, that you can purchase. And I'm going to give a bonus uh, cryptocurrency today. That's another one that's really good, that actually can rise like within a day 35-40%. So I want folks to get their notepads and write down the information I'm going to share. There's also a description on the bottom of this link, where I have a slew of information for you. I have all the 10 stocks I'm going to talk about today, and then one bonus stock that's a little cheaper than the others, and then the cryptocurrencies. They're all in the link. Um, I also have two videos in the link that I want you guys to really take some time to watch. One of them is just 10, 15 minutes, and it talks about what cryptocurrency is. And, it's just more informed that I'm going to be on this video, because I'm going to cover a lot of other things. And then there's one link that's about an hour long, and it's called How to Invest in the Stock Market and Cryptocurrency for Dummies. Okay, and that video, I know Kim Blade. Hi, Shanita, welcome. Good afternoon. People will be coming on. I know I'm expecting several people, but folks, I just want you guys to spread the news, share the news. And I was sharing Shanita. I guess there are others on here too, but you guys have commented, and I encourage people to comment and ask questions. I'll have a section for questions at the end, but I'm so excited at what is happening, and just what information I've had the opportunity to stumble across. That's not just going to take me, but I'm believing for a community of millionaires. So I'm encouraging people just to become a part, connect with me, and we're going to go up together. Okay, I don't want this to be churchy, because it's no shame to tell everyone that I am a Christian. My name is Dr. Michelle Morrison, and I'm here in New York City, which was the epicenter of the virus, but thank goodness that it's just gone down tremendously. And we pray for the different states that are being affected by the coronavirus. People are dying. There are forest fires in California. There is just a lot of calamity, rioting, and all these different things that have happened, police brutality. So we're in a really difficult time. However, I'm here today to tell you that in the midst of the crises offer opportunities to prosper. And I should say, they can offer opportunities to prosper. Certainly, this one does, as it affects the stock market, cryptocurrency. When the market first crashed, folks, in March, stocks went down so low, and it afforded people an opportunity to purchase who weren't able to purchase before. And Shanita, I was sharing that in the description below, you can see links to videos that I have on cryptocurrency and how to invest in the stock market for dummies. I know, Shanita, you have invested before, but in this video, stock markets for dummies and cryptocurrency for dummies, I go over everything. What is a stock market? What is cryptocurrency? Um, I also go over how to research different stocks, which is just awesome. You have to research, folks. Do your research before you invest in anything, because it's your money. And I'm going to talk about different types of stocks today: blue chip stocks, tech stocks. These stocks you cannot go wrong in. And unfortunately, since the crash in March, the stock market has gone up tremendously. Some of these stocks have skyrocketed even past where they were. Things like Tesla, Amazon is a beast. We probably, well, I know I can't afford those stocks. But I'm going to talk about some more affordable ones. And as every Wednesday, I'm going to give you one affordable stock. It may not be a blue chip stock, which these stocks are where the companies are large in the billions in terms of income. But there are other lower high quality stocks that are really great investments. So every week I'll share one. I'll be sharing one today as well. And I'm going to share also a new cryptocurrency that can go up as much as 36%. I've seen it gone up since I've had my investments and I then purchased it. And I'm telling you, folks, it's just amazing what can happen during this season. So get your notepads. I'm going to share all of that today. I'm so excited. Welcome to the Millionaires Club. And again, I'm not a millionaire yet, but I'm believing by the end of this year, I will be a multimillionaire, and so will you, based on the information I'm going to share today. But again, I have to tell everyone I'm not a stockbroker or an investment analyst. I'm just giving information for entertainment purposes and just to share information. What you do with that information is up to you. But again, please research any investment you get involved in. So, I'm also asking people to like, subscribe, share. As time goes by, these videos will get more and more popular. People will begin to watch, but those who miss out are going to miss out on opportunities of a lifetime. So every Wednesday, 12 noon to 1 p.m., please share the link as you get them. Invite people out. Information is knowledge. This broadcast will go on the regular YouTube channel after it's complete, so you can always share the link for those who aren't here. But I wanted to give us an opportunity to have a live chat for people to ask questions at the end, and we're just gonna be blessed together. So what is a stock? A stock is simply a share, a small share that you buy in a particular company. And what is cryptocurrency? It's just digital asset. It is not paper money. It's just an asset where I believe, folks, it's the wave of the future. We are going to be crypto millionaires, those who catch them at the lowest points. So it's a system of exchange of money where you'll be able to, and you can send crypto to anyone in the world peer to peer without bank fees and those other costs. So it's something that's going to take off. If you know, Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency right now. Bitcoin is the number one, and Bitcoin is now over $11,000 for one coin in one of my videos. And again, I have two videos in the link that you time to watch. Give a lot of information on what are stocks, what are cryptocurrency, how to invest, the websites you go to invest. But stocks for you, an opportunity, and cryptocurrency to invest in your future, and you want to get them at the lowest rate possible. You want to get them, buy them at the lowest rate possible, and hold on to the stocks, especially for even 10 years, because once you get good stocks, it doesn't matter whether the economy goes up or down, folks, you're going to be blessed. I mean, we all want our investments the lowest we can get them so that they can grow. But it's a blue chip stock or a tech stock, you just cannot go wrong, because those companies are very valuable. Even if the market crashes, they're going to go back down. See, some people just up and they sell their stocks really quickly. And if you have, the key is to get quality stocks. Because once you have blue chip quality stocks, tech stocks like Apple, folks, Apple is going crazy. And I want you to write down in August 31st, which is very soon, that next week, Apple's actually going to split. I think today it's like 380 per share. Apple, and I mentioned ticker symbols. These stocks have ticker symbols and the cryptocurrency. So Apple is AAPL. August 31st, there's going to be a stock split, meaning it's going to now be more affordable for a lot of folks. So it's right now, okay, I'm sorry, Apple is about 505 right now. I think I said 380. No, it's about 505. And so it'll split in 4 ways. So it may be 125, somewhere around there. So now folks who don't have $500 for one share of Apple share at $120. That's something you want to hold on to for 10 years because Apple's going to skyrocket. You see some, and of course, if you have more money, you buy more shares. And folks, once you get a quality stock, and I'm going to name 10 really great blue chip and tech stocks today. And each week I'm going to add more. Plus, I'll give you one. Not everything in the market, the stock market since March, has gone up. A lot of things, a lot of blue chip have gone up even before what they started at. Because the market is almost back to where it was before the crash. Not the economy, but the stock market has still rallied up. It's been up and down. I know, Shanita, you know that because you invest, as well as Kimberly invests as well. But the stock market is up and down. So some of them have not rallied as high, and there are some. I'll give you one today. But again, I'm just sharing information, and I'm glad my information has proven to be correct. Kim Blade has, connected with me, and I've proven right in a lot of the things I talk about, especially the cryptocurrency. I was able to buy them very, very cheap, and hitherto is why I am now $26,000 up in profit. It's because of crypto, some stocks as well. But folks, you want to get on board. It's not too late to get some cheap stocks. And crypto, certainly you can get some very quality crypto for very cheap in the stock market. Penny stocks are very dangerous. You can do well with them, but they always recommend not to get them because they're usually companies that do not have a lot of capital and they can go out of business. But crypto is a different thing. You can get some of the crypto that are very inexpensive and they're still quality. Like XRP is one of them, which is called Ripple. It's a very popular, well-known cryptocurrency, and it's in the description, XRP. And that particular cryptocurrency is, experts are saying it's just going to skyrocket. And it's right now, it's been about zero point 0.3 cents. When I got it, it was 0.19. If Kimberly remembers, back when I first talked about it months ago, it was 0.19. Now it's zero point 0.3, which is a great, it's actually maybe 0.29 because, folks, the crypto, I'm going to tell you today, the crypto has gone down a little in the last week. So it's a good buying point for the crypto, I would say today, tomorrow, maybe in the next week. And usually stocks go down and crypto around election time. Although some people say that with Trump as president, he may try to keep the stock market higher so that he gets reelected. And if the stock market is high, it's a good sign that that president may get reelected. So that's something interesting that I learned. So you want to watch for when it goes down because those are that are quality. You don't want to panic if it goes down because they're going to go back up. It's you get those fly by night companies where you'll run into problems. Okay, so I talked about what is a stock, what is cryptocurrency. It's just a digital means of exchange where you can send money peer to peer without bank fees, and you want to look at ticker symbols for the stocks in order to purchase them. You're going to need the ticker symbol, have the ticker symbols. Yahoo Finance, I encourage everyone to just sign up with Yahoo Finance because you can use and other information on Yahoo Finance to inform you on different stocks. Stocks will go up, folks, based on news. So Yahoo Finance is going to give you various news articles on different stocks, and stocks shoot up or go down, bad or good news. If the president says he's going to go to war, the stock market is going to go down. And what all that means is that people are selling off real fast because they're scared of losing their money. But again, this is why you want blue chip tech stocks, because it doesn't matter if it crashes. You want to get them low, but it still doesn't matter because they're going to rally up. And as we saw from March, some of them have gone way up from even where they first began. So you can find the news on Yahoo Finance, and you also see the Dow Jones average as well as the S&P 500. Basically, the S&P 500 is just a composition of 500 really great high volume companies. It's a measure in the market. The market just basically looks at these 500 companies, and it's an index that measures the performance of 500 large companies. That's the S&P 500, and today it's about 34, somewhere around that 3,400 in the 3,000s. The Dow Jones Index is a stock market index that measures the stock performance of 30 blue chip companies. And I talked about blue chip, which are just companies that are worth billions. So they use these indexes to the performance of these companies to give a number. And the Dow Jones is about 2,800 or so, 28,000, sorry. It can go up 29,000. So it's pretty close to where it was before the crash. So a lot of these stocks like Apple, Microsoft, they've gone up. When the market first crashed, they were very inexpensive, and a lot of folks have become millionaires through stocks. Because the more money you have, is you can buy stocks really cheap. So a lot of people have made a lot of money, and the stocks have rallied up. But folks, like I said, there are still some that were higher that haven't peaked out, and I'm going to give you one of those today. So that's the Dow Jones. You can find the Dow Jones and the S&P as well as the Russell on Yahoo Finance, on yahoofinance.com. So if you go on there and the Dow or S&P or Russell are in red, the stock market has gone down. If it's green, the market is going up. So the market's been pretty volatile during the crash. It's been up and down. But the key is, folks, you always want to get great stocks at the lowest price, preferably. But it's also mind that even if the stock goes down and you have good stocks, buy low, just buy more. Don't sell off and panic and lose money. Just buy more, because they're going to go back up. It's when you have fly-by-night companies that they may go down and never go back up. And some companies like Hertz, there were a lot of new young people that were investing in stocks during the crisis, and they don't really know much about stocks. So they were investing in companies like Hertz that were going bankrupt. And at one point, Hertz just started climbing. And I saw an expert say that he's never seen anything like it. Like, who's buying bankrupt companies? Because you literally can lose your shirt. They may go up temporarily, but eventually they're going to crash, go out of business, and you'll see zero in your account. So I stay away from bankrupt companies. So you want to invest in quality stocks. It don't have to be blue chip or tech, but make sure you do your research. And in one of my videos called How to Invest in the Stock Market and Cryptocurrency for Dummies, I show you how to go to sites like Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ.com to look up the income statement, the cash flow statement, which shows you if there's a positive cash flow in that. So you want to research certain things. Although, again, with the coronavirus, during the virus, that may not be the full determination of whether a company is a great investment. So, but in a normal environment, you always should, and during this environment, look at the cash income statement and things like that. And that's explained in further detail on my video, so you want to look at those videos. Um, so again, I'm now going to share with you some cryptocurrency that is really good, which I shared for some of you. You know some of them already, and then I'm going to share one. So we talked about XRP, which is Ripple, and that I think today it's actually 27 cents with 0.27 cents, which is a good price, folks, because I got it at 0.19. It's gone up to like 0.31. So it's gone up. The crypto market has gone down somewhat. It's not going to go completely down like it was before when I got it. But also, you guys know about XLM. And all of these symbols are in the description below. Okay, that is now 0.10 cents today. But was higher. It had gone higher, and I got it. I got XLM at 0.04 cents, guys. So Kimberly Blake knows I was having meetings on this months ago, and it's only going to go higher, folks. It's only going to go higher. That's why I encourage you to have people come on every Wednesday. I'll also be having monthly conferences once a month where I will explain to folks different investment ideas like real estate. I'm a real estate broker as well as an attorney here in New York City, and we'll be having different guests coming on. It'll be through Zoom, and those conferences will be once a month. Those will be paid conferences. They'll be about $49 a month, and I'll be sharing, and other guest speakers will be sharing some valuable information, how to start a business with very little money on Amazon. It's something you don't want to miss. So the other crypto that I had bought is Ethereum, ETH, and that is the second most popular cryptocurrency next to Bitcoin. And I actually got it under $100. I got it maybe at 150, and it went as high as $450 recently, folks. So I made quite a bit of money on Ethereum. So the good thing is the database that you in the description as well. They charge a little fee to buy and sell, but I like them because they're very secure. They're very secure. They have an authentication system, and I like websites that are secure. Okay, so the link is in the description, and yeah, so I actually made quite a bit of money from Ethereum as well. But the bonus crypto that I want to give you today is ALGO, and it's in the description as well. Okay, that particular cryptocurrency is today, it's about 0.5 something cents. So it's still pennies on the dollars, folks. And I've literally seen this particular cryptocurrency go 36% in one day higher. So it's way more volatile than XRP, XLM in the positive, and it's also, experts also highly recommend it. So you want to get some. Well, again, I can't tell you what to get. I'm not a stockbroker, but I have some. I have a lot of it because with XRP and XLM, shared with you guys before, maybe not in detail, but it's in my videos that in May of this year, May 12th, Bitcoin had a halving, and these halvings happen every 4 years, and from 6 months to a year after the halving, the cryptocurrency Bitcoin goes crazy high. Sometimes I think at one time it went from hundreds of dollars to like $10,000, $20,000 per coin within 6 months to a year after each halving. and we had a halving on May 12th, 2020 of this year. So by November onwards, we're looking for the cryptocurrency to go crazy. Some experts are saying that Bitcoin is going to go to $250,000 per coin. Whether that happens, I'm not sure. But folks, you want to get on board, because once Bitcoin goes up, they all start going up with them. And like I told you, when I first got XLM, it was at 0.04 cents. $40 would get you 1,000 shares. Even $10 would get you quite a bit of shares. $400 got me 10,000 shares, and I bought $800 worth, so I have 20,000 shares. So even at 10,000 shares for XLM, if it goes just to $100, I have $1 million. Absolutely incredible. So you see how cryptocurrency is going to produce crypto millionaires with very little money. Unbelievable. So folks, check out the link below. I have all of the ticker symbols for all of the cryptocurrency and all of the stocks that I'm letting you be aware of today. And anytime I say recommend, again, I mean do your research. These are things that I personally think are good, but I'm not a stockbroker. I can't give you stock advice, but I can share information. Okay, so crypto is pretty low today. It's been low the last couple of days comparatively. I got it way lower. They never really go down but a certain amount. They just keep going higher and higher. They may go a little lower, but then higher and higher and higher. So that's the pattern I've seen over the last 5 months. Same with the stocks, especially if you get good stocks. Now I'm going to give you 10 blue chip stocks, and they're in the description. Let me know, Kimberly or Shanita, if you cannot see them in the description. I have Microsoft, I have Apple. Again, Apple is going to have a stock split on August 31st. So you want to wait for that day to buy if you're going to buy, because it's going to split in four. If you own the stock now, it doesn't mean anything. So the 10 blue chip stocks that I wrote in the description is Apple, NVDA, Netflix, Alibaba, which is Baba, Facebook, Walmart, Amazon, AMD, which is Advanced Medical Devices, Tesla. Okay, and these are all in the description. You can purchase them on beautiful Shanita. Yes. Oh, yes. That's one, folks. And again, the Apple is one you want to hold for 10 years. Don't sell. I mean, if it rallies way up and you make money, sell hold half. But one of the things that I learned from an expert is you keep buying more and more stock every month. Just keep, even if it's $10, 1,000 a month would be great if you have it. Not everyone has that, but you build up over time. And for stocks, you want to hold them 10 years or more, because that's when you'll see the millions come in. The crypto is a different story. Crypto is very volatile, and we're just so happened during this crisis. And I keep telling people, a crisis can offer an opportunity unlike any other time before, because this just comes once in a lifetime, and we pray for those who are suffering. But within the suffering, there are blessings, there are opportunities, and the stock market and crypto are some of the opportunities. So yes, so I name some in the description, and I give one stock of the day. This is one that is very inexpensive, but it's not a fly-by-night company, MITT. Okay, that's in the description as well. And I believe today I saw it at $2.09, MITT. And $2 to $3 is good for that one. It's a real estate stock, and it's been up and down. I haven't seen it past, say, $5, but in a good economy, once everything restores, it was $15 before. So you can imagine if you buy that one and hold it, just try to get it low, whatever you do, if you're going to get it. If you research and decide to get it, just try to get MITT low within the $2. That way, if it goes down, you're not at just, and Yahoo Finance actually has a chart. When you put ticker symbol, they have a chart you need to look at. It shows you what that stock has been in the last day, how high and low it goes if you scroll across the chart back and forth, in the last week, in the last month, and it goes up 5 years. Very good. That's another research tool I discussed in my video link below. You always want to look at that because it's the lowest price it's been at. If you ever, over the last 5 days, 7 days, month, I always do that to try to see where I can get it the lowest, because the market's going to go down possibly in September. So that's going to be a good opportunity, folks, to buy. And on these Wednesday broadcasts, I'll keep everyone abreast of information that I find out. And it just so happens I've just been fortunate enough to come across some great information. And I'm telling you, folks, we're going to be multimillionaires by the end of this year. So MITT, write it down, research it. It's a real estate stock. It hasn't rallied with the market yet. There are some, and I'm going to be sharing one every week. You really don't want your portfolio to be crazy, but you want some good stocks in there. And in my video, how to invest the stock market, I talk about other types of funds. I talk about ETFs. I talk about mutual funds. ETFs and mutual funds are similar. They're just a compilation of, say, tech stocks. So you just don't have one stock. They combine like a group of them, so you get an average. They may not go as volatile, but they're steady also. So make sure you watch the link, the videos in the link, how to invest in the stock market and cryptocurrency for dummies. So again, blue chip tech stocks. Apple is a tech stock. You have other blue chip stocks that are just, Tesla has gone crazy. Tesla, I wish I had the money, folks, to get Tesla, because it's gone absolutely crazy. Just maybe $50 a day. In the last couple of weeks, it's been going crazy. Sometimes it drops, like I saw it drop today, but I think it started going back up. But that's, if rich people are just getting richer from the stock market, trust me. But for poorer people who don't have that type of money, you want to find really great lower investments. And I'm telling you, folks, crypto. Ooh, nice. Shanita has a piece of Tesla. Grow, girl. You go, girl. You go, girl. Wow. Wow. Shanita, so you bought a fractional share of Tesla? Because I know there are websites where you could potentially buy fractional shares. I think Robinhood might sell fractional shares, and I may look into that. I'm really more geared towards the crypto right now, but I would actually love to get a piece of Tesla. She says, I have a piece of Tesla. So if you don't mind sharing what website, I think Robinhood, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Okay. Right. All right. I think I'm going to sign up for Robinhood then. Yeah, I'd like me a piece of Tesla. And some of the other ones like Amazon is a beast. So I would love me a piece of Amazon as well. So thanks for sharing that. Awesome. So again, you can buy other stocks that are not blue chip stocks, but are solid companies. And one of the ways you do that, read the news, guys. There are some actually companies like Myrna and some other companies that have rallied higher at different times because they've advertised in the news that they have a possible vaccine. I stay away from those because they tend to run up and then run back down. So if you can catch them, good, but very dangerous. They're not like a blue chip company. They're running up based on news. So you buy it, it runs up. If you don't sell, you're going to lose your shirt. But the company that gets the vaccine, that company is going to run for a few days. So you may want to just buy it when it's running and then sell once it finishes running, because those companies will go down because they're not normally like tech or blue chip stocks that are like just good long-term investments. So I'm going to share a few stock tips right now that you know, if you want to write them down. But these are things I've learned over the months as I've been studying the market. So you want to get in, as I said, from a low entry point. You want to buy it at the lowest. Blue chip and tech stocks, you buy low, hopefully going down. Just buy it. Go to Robinhood, buy a part of it, a portion of it, blue chip. Even if they've rallied, even if they go down, they're going to go back up past that rally point in cryptos for their low point. When they go high, whether it's stocks or crypto, you want to, if you want to, sell, maybe sell half, take a profit, pay yourself, go buy a new car, because I plan on it. For crypto, if they start going really high, I've seen several people when they hit 1 million, they just sell everything and invest different other things. Crypto can go really high, sometimes lower, but the bottom line is that they're good, and you want the good ones like Ethereum, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has gone high and low, but it's still, I see some of the ATMs now with Bitcoin. So you want to make sure that you hold on to a piece of whatever you sell, if it's good, or if it's a tech or blue chip stock. So yeah, when they're very high, you can sell some. Never sell all of your blue chip stocks. Those you want to hold on, you want to pass down to your children. They can pass down to their children. And see, this is why I want to educate, especially the minority communities, Hispanic communities. Sister Kim, yes, Apple after the split sounds good. Yes. Okay, Shanita, yes, you did tell me that before. Thank you. Um, So hold these companies for 10 years or more, and every month. And partial shares, Coinbase also sells partial shares of crypto. So if you don't have the money to get everything up front, you can get partial shares. So again, folks, I'm asking everyone to like, subscribe, and share to the Millionaires Club. We're all going to go up together. Every Wednesday, I'll be on board and provide a hot stock that's a quality company, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a stockbroker or stock analyst. I'm an attorney here and real estate broker in New York City. And I just want to thank you for being a part of the Millionaires Club. We're here to empower. The links are in the description below. Every Wednesday, I'll be on board, and I'm so thankful you can be a part of this. Once this link is produced by YouTube, it may be the same link. I'm not sure if they'll change it once the broadcast ends. I'll send everyone that I have their information to, and please share broadcast. It has information that's going to change people's lives. Share, subscribe, be a part of it. We'll be having a conference that's coming up that's going to just blow your mind in terms of investing in real estate for cheap all over the country. I have such a slew of information. We'll have guests that are coming on. We're just building this. So I thank you for tuning in today. And I'm going to end the stream now. I hope it's been very informational for you. And have a great day. I'll see everyone next Wednesday. Take care and all the best. Oh, you know what? I'm forgetting. Any questions? I know people have already commented. Are there any questions? Does anyone have any questions before we tune out? I know folks have already commented over to the left, but I wanted to just take a moment in case anyone has any questions or concerns before we log off. Okay, I think we've had all the discussions we're going to have for today. 45 minutes isn't bad. I think I'll aim for that on every Wednesday. Thank you so much for taking the time to be a part of this, and all the best. And I'll see you next week.